Greetings from the homestead. I'm Paul, and this is the mess we're getting into today. And it has been a mess. About 3 months ago, I went ahead and pulled the boat into the garage, and I've been working on it very diligently for the last 3 months. Well, I got in today to do the editing, and to say the least, my stuff is corrupted. I can't get it to edit. Now, I don't know. I don't know if there's issues with our brand new computer, but I do know my Gopro Hero 7 died. Hero 9. My Hero 9 died in the process. So I switched to the 7. And I bought the DJI that you're seeing right now to work on it. Think I had some holes there? So for 3 months, I have ripped out just about every piece from this boat and reworked it, for better or for worse. I ripped out the flooring, put new carpeting in. See? New carpeting, new plywood, new electric, patched holes. And all of that was null and void because the blasted GoPro corrupted the file. Or at least I'm assuming the GoPro corrupted the file. I'll throw some video in here at some point. But I'm doing this video because I have nothing else to put for tomorrow's video. And since I got one out last week and missed the week before because I've been working on the boat, I figured you deserved at least an explanation. So the original idea was and as I stated in the video, okay, I wanted to get back to basics. I decided this year I was going to try. Oh, okay. Could have taken off all of those. I was going to try and get back outdoors more. And part of that getting outdoors more was I wanted to get the boat up and running. Well, I thought it'd make good content because apparently boats do well on YouTube. Well, apparently this boat's not going to do well. At some point I might revisit this because I had 10 hours and 45 minutes worth of video recorded that needed to be edited. Well, that ain't going to happen now. So like I said, this has been a big project that's been going on in the background for the last 3 months. I don't think I'm going to be doing something like that again. There's just too much potential loss there. So I thought I'd just do a short official video to say the boat is up and running. I have completely rewired 4 car batteries into it because it runs on a 48 volt system. But there'll be a video coming up soon of, hey, I'm finally taking the boat out after all that work I did, except I didn't do any work because there's no video of it. But this is just another reason, But this is just another reason why I am turning away from GoPro. I haven't upgraded since Hero 9 because Hero 7 was okay. Hero 9 was not an improvement, and I think they're on like 13 or 14 now. And I'm not going to waste my money again. So to give you an idea of what I did, I cut this out, riveted this in, put these hasps on here, wired up so that we can plug in 4 car batteries, 2 here, 2 there. I've also got 2 12-volt circuits. One goes right here, one goes under the back seat. It's all been reinforced, rewired, all the way back to where the boat motor plugs in. Everything came out, all new carpeting, everything. Either my computer or the original file got corrupted. They even repaired the tire on it, but that's neither here nor there. I'm complaining. So, is what it is. I guess I will do some other work here, but I'm going to edit this video and say, sorry, I tried. Like I said, I've got 11 hours worth of video that is corrupted that I cannot use to make a coherent video. So I apologize. I may work on it in the future. Don't count on it though. I'd say I hope you enjoyed this video, but you know, I didn't enjoy making this video. So like, comment, subscribe, do the whole YouTube thing. Yay, click the notification button, and bye.